Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy, Jeremy Alexander Newsome. I'm back. It's been a bit. I've missed you all. Hope you're doing simply wonderful. So many fun things to chat about and discuss. It's been 2 weeks since I've been gone. Since you've been gone. I'm going to update some day trades that I've placed over the last few days on this journal. Again, just so more or less you can kind of track what I'm day trading and what stocks, their entries, all of that on the comments section. Today was a losing day in the day trading world, but it's absolutely okay. April was a nice month, and so far, May looks to be good, but a little bit challenging, so it'll be fun. Swing trades. Let's go through these, the ones we have now, and talk about some other ones as we approach. So Fitbit had a little bit of a gap down on earnings, so that's the good news. We don't have very much time left on this put. It is in the money, but we lost most of the value, so it's worth about 16 cents right now. So my thoughts on Fitbit, we're down about 0.8 Rs. If FIT moves lower by Thursday, let's hold. Otherwise, we exit. So I got it right that Fitbit was going to gap down on earnings. Just didn't, should have bought literally just sometime last week. As it trade up into here, should have bought those $5 puts, and that would have worked a little bit better. Anyway, that's Fitbit. So again, we kind of thought we might lose on that trade anyway. Square, so these options, didn't update this worksheet, but we were able to close these options. I'm going to come back over here just to update you. So this is pretty much when we went on vacation, was on the 23rd, that Monday. So we got within 10 cents of selling those options at $5. So I'm hoping that some of you were able to get stopped out or trail out for a very small gain at worst case scenario, which was the case with me. Bumped up the stop to $3 on those. So it was a small win on Square, nothing too crazy. Carvana, CVNA, is certainly pulling back, and right now it's at 25.24. So the low of today was 24.76. So both of these entries was 27 and 25.55. Both of those have filled with a stop at 21.93, which is relatively far away. We'll see if that fills. Earnings is around the corner. I'm hoping for a gap up on Carvana, but both of those still active from 2 weeks ago. Blue Apron, ticker symbol APRN, did have earnings and is up, did pop nicely. So the target on that one is 270. So the high of today, 263. Let's put this as the target right about here to see if we can hit that spot of 279. So that's gonna be kind of my thought. We are up a penny post-market. So I like the volume, I like the trend, I like the little breakout. Looks really good. You've had some good movement. So yeah, I'm keeping a close eye. I see this one slowly churn and burn a little bit higher, but 279 would be our target, which would put us for more than 2 Rs. ZUO, I did increase the stop on ZUO and did get stopped out today. So the stop on that was 1890. Our original stop was 1831. So I moved up the stop on that one to the low once this white candle formed, which was on the 3rd of May. Yep, got stopped out of that one at 1890, so that is done. Closed 1890. That was for 136 shares, so that's a loss. Now, some of our put sales. This is exciting. So here's Alcoa. Now, if we hop over to Alcoa, these put sales are going to expire perfectly fine next week. So you really don't have to do anything with those. You don't have to buy them back, just let them expire. The other cool news is Square. So we also had a $40 put sale on Square. We can let those expire worthless as well. And here on Facebook, so these were July puts. So if we go over to Facebook, right, we can let Alcoa and we can also let Square expire worthless. Facebook, on the other hand, these put sales are forever away. So this was a July, and we're looking at July 145. So since earnings has happened and since all of this is over, I'm going to be buying those back tomorrow. And those are going to be worth about 57 cents. So do a limit buy at 57 cents and look to lock in a little bit of a gain on that trade, which is good. And we'll just look for something else some more put sales on some type of pullback. So Facebook is actually, though, going to be one of the trade setups. That's another reason why we're buying it back. So I'm going to do a limit buy into the moving averages with a stop a little bit lower than the moving average. So this is going to be the new setup on Facebook. Just looking at buying that dip. So coming back over to our swing trades and adding the new one. Today is 5/7, 2018. Ticker symbol FB and 175.11 with a stop at 169 even. So in fact, let's just do 175 even by 169 even, and we'll do shares. And I think it's a really great trade setup based on a retest gap. It is open because it is not triggered yet, and we'll throw that in right there. So that's Facebook. And the other one's going to be EXAS, which I already have set up on a trade, on another trade, but we'll just look to get in on a pullback. So let's look to do this as a bullish limit buy. Limit buy at 50.30 with a stop at 47.30. So the stop is below pretty much all the moving averages, also below the 100 and the 200. So kind of hoping this one works out. I'd cry a little bit, just a little bit though, like a manly cry if that one does not work. But 47.30, also shares. Also I think it's a really good setup based on a retest gap, and it's open because it has not triggered yet. So we'll throw that in there. That's what we got. That's what I'm looking at. And that is your trades of the day. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you have a splendidly, stupendously sensational time, and I'll be back tomorrow. You rock, and until then, love life, live, and trade it. Bye.